Welcome to part 16 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Record. Record. I will record the video on my phone. Attack. Attack. The cat will attack the toy mouse. Organize. Organize. We need to organize the books on the shelf. Close. Close. Please close the window before you leave. Address. Address. She will address the class during the assembly. Finish. Finish. I will finish my homework before dinner. Present. Present. She will present her project to the class tomorrow. Identify. Identify. Can you identify the different animals in the picture? Recommend. Recommend. I recommend reading this book. It's really fun. Respond. Respond. He will respond to the teacher's question. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 volts.